On to the next analysis type available in MotorSolve is the AC analysis. So in this case, the main difference between the equivalent circuit analysis and AC analysis is that in the equivalent circuit analysis, the variations of the equivalent circuit parameters as a function of rotor speed was neglected, in the sense that we assumed that these equivalent circuit parameters will not change as a function of the rotor speed, which is of course an approximation only. However, in the case of AC analysis, we do take these into account, and that's the difference between these two types of analysis, is that the AC analysis is more accurate compared to the equivalent circuit analysis in taking into account the variations of the equivalent circuit parameters as a function of the operating point. And another very interesting and powerful feature of this is that the algorithm for this software will automatically scan through regions of the vicinity of points of rotor speed where the equivalent circuit parameters change steeply, and will automatically take more points into account in computing results in those regions, which could be over here, where things could be changing rapidly, as opposed to in this region where things are linear, or in this region where things are changing rather gradually. And those the software automatically takes these variations of the rate at which the equivalent circuit parameters change into account. This can also be controlled by the user by specifying the number of slips, as well as changing the operating, and it's possible once again to carry out the analysis using the synchronous speed as specified as a percentage of the rated value, or by as well as by manually specifying the slip for these results for any given model. And once again, in this case as well, you have the speed accuracy trade-off parameter that allows you to control the computational speed of the analysis corresponding to the various refinement levels of the mesh model that is used to generate results in MotorSolve IM. The third type of analysis is pulse width modulation analysis. As a design engineer, you may be interested in studying the effect of switching and so forth.